boys and girls. I hope that everyone is happy and healthy. My name's Miss Lewis, and I'm here to teach you your Day 8 math. Before we get started with our math lesson, I want you to pause this video if you haven't already. Go to the math fluency video and watch that. That will have counting, shapes, and all kinds of good reviews. So please pause now. All right, so hopefully you're back. Today we are going to talk about teen numbers. Now, we have probably talked about teen numbers, but today we're going to talk about number bonds. But first, what is a teen number? A teen number is a number that has a group of 10 and extra ones. That means that you can make 10 and extras. This shows us the number 11. Look closely while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, an extra 1. So what would this be? This would be the number 11. Great job. So when we are making teen numbers, we can use a really cool tool called a number bond. A number bond is a tool that shows the total and two numbers that make up that number. So this is what a number bond would look like. If you don't have one now, please get out a pencil and a piece of paper and draw this on your paper. All right, so this is called a number bond, and we are going to use this today to make teen numbers. We know that teen numbers are made up of a group of 10 and extra ones. So the total is going to go here, and then the group of 10 and the extra ones are going to go in the bubbles. I'm going to start with the number 11. So I'm going to write 11 in the top box because that is the total. Now, we need to break this up into its group of 10 and extra ones. Boys and girls, how many groups of 10 are in the number 11? Great job. There's only one group of 10. So I'm going to put a group of 10 down here. Now, how many extra ones do I have in the number 11? You're right, 1. So I'm going to put the 1 here. Then we know that 10 and 1 make 11. Great job. And that is also what we have here. We have a group of 10 and 1 extra 1, and that makes the number 11. Fabulous. All right, now let's try some more. I'm going to erase my numbers out of my number bond, and I am going to pick a new number. I think we should do the number 13. If you haven't, please draw a number bond and write the number 13 in your box. All right, so now we are going to see what goes in the bottom of this number bond. How many groups of 10 are in the number 13? You're right, 1 group of 10. So I'm going to put 10 in that box. Now, how many extra ones do I have? What do I need to make this the number 10? 13. You're right, it needs to be 3. So I'm going to make a 3 in the bottom box. Great job. So now we know that 10 and 3 make the number 13. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to do the number 16. How many groups of 10 do we have in the number 16? You're right, only 1. So I'm going to write 10 right there because I only have 1 group of 10. How many extra ones do I have in the number 16? You're correct, 6. So now we know that 10 and 6 make 16. If you were ever asked to break apart numbers, especially teen numbers, a number bond is a very cool tool to use to do that. This is lesson 23 in your workbook. So if you haven't already done so, you can refer back to that lesson. I do want to point out that in your book, this number bonds are made with squares. That's okay. A number bond can be with circles or squares. So at this time, you can stop this video and go do lesson 23 pages in your workbook. We hope everyone is happy and healthy, and we can't wait to get back to you guys.